Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our good name is Garitech Interior Design. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. So thank you for 1,500 subscribers. For it is your own support that you are giving towards us. So this is a 4-bedroom house that we have finished a plastering inside and outside of our whole this 4-bedroom mansion. So I'm going to have to take you a house tour, and then you see how our project is ongoing. And if you want services like this, you can contact us. So have to have more information towards your building journey. So these are, like you see, these are welcoming 2 pillars that we have constructed. There will be 2 at each end and then a single one at the center, like you see over there. So our molding work will be done later after we have finished some touches to these beautiful pillars that you see over here. So this is the window for sitting room, and then as always we provide a double socket outside, and then that is our small balcony. And then our roofing, we have not yet done our roofing, like you see over there. And then so I'm going to take you a house tour, and then you see how is it inside, towards inside of this house. And so on our right hand, that is our sitting room, like you see over there. So this is our design for our entrance towards this sitting room. So like you see over there, this is the sitting room, and the other space that you see over there, that is the provision towards our dining room. So our sitting room it has 2 windows, like you see over there, and then it's quite spacious. It can accommodate even to let's say even 20 people. So depending on your sizes, depending on how you will arrange your seats. So even we have done a pointing for electrical, like you see over there, and then like you see, that is the pointing for our switching point towards this amazing sitting room. And then those are wall brackets that we have done here, and then that is the provision for our TV point that will be over there. So I will let you towards this dining room, and then you see, so on that space that you see over there, we'll done some molding work so as to have a beautiful, welcoming, beautiful towards entrance towards this our amazing dining room. Like you see over there, that is our dining room. Even though it's quite special, it's small, but according to the requirement of a dining room, there's no need to have that much quite big dining room. So we just go with a small one, but it's quite enough for this amazing project. So that is the first bedroom towards this house, like you see over there. This is the entrance, even though we have not yet done put our frames for our doors, but we'll just do it at the end of the day. So this is our room. This is the first bedroom. It has 2 windows, like you see over there, and then it's quite spacious, like you see over this over. Even our electrical pointing we have done, so that will be our double socket and the strapping for this house. So I will let you to the next. So our next, it's a small partition that we have put here, so it was to welcome you on our public toilet and the second bedroom. So this is a small veranda that is over here, so as to separate our toilet with the other bedroom, second bedroom. So like you see over there, this is the toilet. We have already done a partition for our tiles from the other upper part, and then that is the pointing for our hand basin, and then that is our tap that will be over here. That is the pointing for our shower, that is like you see over there. We have provided all over, and then that's the pointing for our toilet, and then the other one will be like a provision for our Arabic shower and the other water towards our toilet. So I will let you inside this second bedroom, like you see over there. So this second bedroom, it's a little bit quite smaller as compared to the to the first bedroom and the third bedroom that I'm going to show you over here. So this second bedroom, it has only one window, like you see over there. Ceiling board we have not yet done, we are on procedure, we'll done it better later. And then that is our kitchen. I will later give you its house tour. So this is the third bedroom, guys. Like you see, even from far, it's quite spacious and it is huge, like you see over here. So those are two windows that are inside towards this third bedroom, even though it's not ensuite, but we were preferring it to be ensuite, but the owner suggested that just our master bedroom to be ensuite. Pointing for electrical work we have already done, like you see over there. So I'm going to let you inside towards the second to the master bedroom, and then that, like you see over there, those the pointing for electrical, a CCU consumer control unit. So like you see over here, this is the master bedroom. It has two windows, like we see. It's quite big for easy acceleration for our light. So the owner, if wants maybe to have a natural light, he can use it, like you see over there. So our windows will come and then put there our sliding windows. And then this is a pointing for our even our electrical pointing. So those are wall brackets that we have installed on this city master bedroom. So there are three. And then so I will let you towards this toilet. So the toilet for master bedroom as compared to the visitors public toilets, the public toilet is not just quite much big, but our master bedroom toilet is just quite much big. So that's the pointing for our hand basin that will be laid over there later. That's the pointing for our toilet, and then the other one, that is the pointing for our shower over there. Even like you see the pointing for tiling we have already done, it's on the process. We will let you when we are done. So I will be updating you towards this amazing each and every day towards this amazing project. So this is the kitchen, guys. Like you enter on that you will see that is our store that will be over there. Like we see, it's just much spacious towards to accommodate our client storage capacity. So then this is the provision for our cooker. Our cooker will be laid over there, like you see over there. We have already done raised it a little bit porch much higher, and then like you see, this is the worktop. Will come and then later do our, we'll put our granites on the top of that structure that you see over there. And then there's a kitchen drawer cabinet that will be installed over there later. And then that's provision for our double sockets, two double sockets that we install on each worktop of our kitchen cabinets. So then that is the provision for our the fridge that will be installed there. So this is the backyard of our area porch for this amazing project that is quite much small. And then if you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, like, share, comment. If you have any question, you can just contact us. Our number is on our bio, so I have to have more negotiation towards your